Hey, what's up everybody? So I've already done 2 videos and this is video number 3. And this is the version that I'm gonna go with. Version 3 of getting 110, 12 volts, bulletproofing the system to where I don't have a problem where if I get water, it'll turn off. If I get low on battery, it'll turn off. If I am driving around the middle of the night in the desert and I got all my lights on and I need the winch to recover somebody that got rolled over in emergency, you absolutely need to have that bulletproof to where everything will work. And that's gonna be version 3. Now it's a lot of work. I did it, very specifically. I took my time, I took my truck completely apart for different reasons, but I figured it was the best time to do it because I was already taking it apart. So let me show you, let's go check it out. On my winch, it already has terminals right here. And if you see these two, I got 2 power and negative. So I'm gonna make terminals and I'm gonna hook up from here to the winch. And then from the winch, I'm gonna run 2 smaller cables like this to my control box, my switch control box. And the reason for that was I ran these 2 cables all the length. I went up over, I gotta zip tie and secure all that, but you can kind of see, over here they were pretty good. And then I really took my time right there to make sure that they weren't rubbing on nothing. They're so tight and snug in there that they're gonna be fine. And then from here they go up. And then that's the real reason this truck actually had these like nice little valleys in there where these fit nice and perfectly. And then from there, I'm just gonna tap into the back of my sub trunk and I'm gonna hook up these 2 batteries. So I'm gonna hook up these 2 batteries parallel to give me 12 volts. And this video is going to be a lot more DIY. I'm going to make some more videos in the future. This is going to be basically the bulletproof system. I've already got it figured out. In the next couple weeks, it's going to be in the works. But basically, 2 batteries parallel, 2 cable, power, negative, and we're gonna run 12 volts all the way to the front. Now, how am I gonna charge these batteries? Well, I got this Power Max inverter, and it's 100 amps, and it goes from 13 to 16, 13 volts to 16 volts. So you can actually manually adjust it. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna max it out. I was thinking about maybe like 14.5, and it also runs by 110. I'm also gonna put that in here. And basically my plan is whenever I do go to a supercharger, I'm gonna plug it in. But all my lights, anything that runs on 12 volts, is gonna run off of batteries, off of those batteries. It's not gonna run off of my truck battery. And the good thing about that is if I get under that 10% or 20% like I talked about in my other video, it's not gonna drop, it's not gonna stop working because it's gonna have its own set of batteries. Now, in the event that I have a recovery in the middle of the night where I need all the lights, I need the winch, my 12 volt batteries are marginal, I can always hook up that inverter into the truck as an emergency to keep those batteries charged. That's no different than having your Jeep running and charging your battery. And you get full amperage, full maximum power out of that winch and your lights. So as a backup, that's why I said this was gonna be bulletproof, because theoretically, I really want to just run off the batteries, but there is gonna be those times where somebody needs that extra amperage. I need all the power I could get, so I can always hook up into the truck. But my biggest thing is I didn't want to take away range from my truck. That's why everything that I'm hooking up 12 volts it's gonna run off the batteries.